Let's see the day-to-day business challenges faced by distributor, salesman and a retailer in a supply chain business. So, are you a part of this supply chain? If yes, then you must be aware that the whole process is manual and salesman driven, leading to various complexities. But why this occurs? Let's understand through a live scenario. Meet Ganesh, a pharma distributor, Ram, a salesman who works for Ganesh, and Mohan, a chemist shop owner. Ganesh's employees receive many phone calls from customers who are trying to place purchase orders, due to which they are kept on hold for a long time, and most of the calls remain unanswered, due to which Ganesh loses some really good orders. Also, he has to face challenges while paying for its office staffs, like allotting them systems, phones, etc. Ganesh also struggles to keep a track of his salesman, as he has no clue that where they are or what they are doing, how many orders they have received, how many payments they have collected, etc. Mohan, the chemist shop owner, always finds it difficult to place order. He has to keep himself busy calling up distributors and asking information about medicines. He has no medium to compare rates and schemes between the distributors. Sometimes he has to visit the distributors, wait in long queues and wait for his order to get packed. Even after all this, he fails to purchase some of his products, which leads to stock shortage. He has to be dependent on the salesman of his distributors to take his purchase orders. Ram, the salesman of Ganesh, visits place to place carrying a long list of products in which Ganesh deals. He faces difficulties in finding the location of the retailer. Whenever the retailer demands for any product, then Ram has to search whether that product is available or not through that long list. He has no information of the available stock, rates and schemes, and has to rely on memory. Wouldn't it be awesome if there would be an automation in this manual communication process? Well, there can be. Introducing Marg's e-business apps for distributors, salesmen and retailers. Now, let's see how will the same process work if Ganesh, Mohan and Ram uses e-business app. Mohan, the retailer, will have a list of distributors whom he has added through e-retail app. He can search the product he wants to order and view live that which supplier has how much stock available of the required product. He can compare rates and schemes offered by all the suppliers and places the best purchase order. His order is received in Ganesh's Marg software. Now, without any manual intervention, he just have to click on that order and generate the bill. Meanwhile, Mohan can easily track the status of his order from billing to dispatch. He can also view his outstandings and be updated about when the distributor's salesman is going to visit his shop to note down his order. Now, coming to Ram, the salesman. Ganesh registers Ram in Marg software with a username and password and selects what all information should be shown in his app. Ram logs in with that username and password in his e-order app. After he logs in, according to the authority given to him by his distributor, all the information is shown like stock quantity, rate, scheme, customer list, customer location in map, where and when he has to go for collection and collect orders. Also, there is GPS feature for tracking. In this way, when retailer asks any real-time information, he can promptly tell because all the information is there in his app. He can also print receipt through e-order app. He easily does the entry of all the activities in his e-order app like payments received, orders taken, etc. Coming back to Ganesh, he receives the entry of every activity of Ram in his Marg software. Now, he just have to generate the bills at one click without any manual intervention. So, something that could be taking 2 or maybe 3 hours a day is probably down to about a minute. Using e-owner app, Ganesh can easily track his salesman location and view reports of stock, payment collection status, financial statements, schemes and rates of products, etc. So now you have seen how e-business app bridges the communication gap between retailers, salesmen and distributors. Further, for any query, call us on 011 3096 9648 or mail us at eapps@magcompusoft.com. For demo, call us on 7 times 9 364.